Vicious, why was a teen chopped all over the head on the way home from school? This evening, the motive for that attack. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, another student is attacked over a cell phone.
Stunning admission leaves Firearms Licensing Authority under fire.
Indicum on the offensive in Gordon House.
In business news, fuel prices dipped this week.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, have you ever been a victim of crime? What was your experience and how did it affect you and your family?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.